Hey friends! So let's look at our spelling words. We're going to look at our spelling words and then we're going to look at the sounds in the spelling words. We're going to talk about the beginning sounds, the end sounds, but also we're going to talk about the sounds in the middle. I've chosen words this week and the sounds in the middle are two sounds, and we're going to talk about what are those sounds, what's the name of that sound, and sort them by the two sounds. So let's look at our spelling words and copy them in our notebook. So get out your black notebook and get ready to pause the video so that you can copy them down in your notebook. Here are our spelling words. So go ahead and get out your notebook and let's write the date. Today is September. Actually, Monday will be 21st. September the 21st, 2020. Notice I said 21st, which is an ordinal number. Remember, because they're telling us the day in order. You have 6 spelling words, so go ahead and copy down your spelling words. If you need extra time to copy, you need to pause the video. We have sat, dig, cat, nap, his, and win. Looking at our spelling words here, let's sound them out, starting with number 1. The beginning sound, the middle sound, the end sound. Let's do all the sounds. S, a, t. 3 sounds. D, I, g. 3. K, a, t. N, a, p. H, I, s. W, I, n. Okay, you don't have to write the sounds down. Looking at our sounds here, all of our beginning sounds are what we call consonants. All of our end sounds are consonants. A consonant is the letter of the alphabet that is not a vowel. All of our middle letters are what we call vowels. So in the alphabet, we have 5 vowels, and then the rest of the letters are consonants. Vowels are very special letters because vowels have 2 sounds. Our vowels, you don't have to write this down, I'm just showing. Our vowels are A, E, I, O, and U. All of our vowels, A, E, I, O, and U, sometimes Y, all of our vowels have 2 sounds. The consonant C and the consonant G also can have 2 sounds. So when we're talking about sounds of the alphabet, we're talking about the sound that they make. So the sound that the S makes is S. But A can make 2 sounds. So this is where it starts to get tricky. We call those 2 sounds a short sound and a long sound. We have short A and long A. Same with I. Same with E, O, U, and Y, but right now we're going to talk about A and I. There's also a short I sound and a long I sound. This week we're going to talk about short A and short I. Again, friends, you do not have to copy this stuff down. I'm just writing it down. You can copy it if you want to. So far, you only have to copy down your writing, your spelling words here. Let's talk about the sound that short A makes. Short A makes the sound ah. See how opened up my mouth gets. It makes the sound ah. Can you say ah? Let's look at our word and hear the sound in the word. S, ah. Do you hear ah? S, ah, t, ah. Our short A sound says ah. This is different than long A. Long A says A. See, my mouth is smaller. A. It even moves. A. But short A opens up wide and says ah. Ah. Like s, at. Or k, at. Now let's look at short I. Short I says I. In our word d, ig, this I says I. D, ig. Short I says I, which is different than long I. Long I says I. See how my mouth moves? I. Short I just says I. My mouth does not have to move. It just says I. So let's talk about our two sounds this week. This week we have ah and I. Ah, I. So I want you to go into your notebook and I want you to write this part. Draw a line, split it in half. On this side, write short A, and on this side, write short I. I want you to determine which part of the graph do you put your words. So let's do number 1 together. Number 1 says s-at. Should I put that with ah or I? Ah, right, because at goes under the short A. What about number 2, dig? Which part of the chart should I put dig in? Right, over here, because it says I, so it goes in short I. Go ahead and put all of your words in the correct spot.